Hello there. To become a more prominent system administrator, you need to know the Prstat command. And to become a system monitor, you need to know the Topas command. For more information on these commands, stick with me till the end of the video. Let us discuss the first command of this video, that is Prstat command. Note that this command is used in Solaris operating system and some distributions of a Linux operating system like the Red Hat only. So this Prstat command is used to give the statistical information about the processes running inside your system. The default output of this command is all process sorted by CPU usage. That is, the process having used the CPU the most is at the top, and the process who have used the CPU the least is at the bottom. So let me show you immediately the output and how this Prstat looks inside the system. Now note that this command is available in Solaris operating system and some Linux distribution like the Red Hat. But it is not available for operating systems like Ubuntu, which is a distribution of Linux, and others. So you can clearly see here different fields are there, like the PID, that is the process ID, username, that is the owner who owns the process, size, the actual size of the running process, RSS, the resident set size of the process, meaning the non-swapped physical memory size. Then the state, that is the state of the process, wait, sleep, run, zombie, stop. Then the PRI, that is the priority of the process. The nice value is the priority computation used. Then the time is the collective execution time of the process. The CPU is the percentage of recent CPU used by the process, and you can clearly see all the processes here are sorted by the CPU usage. That is the important thing about the Prstat command. Then the process is the name of the process. Also, this NLWP is the number of lightweight processes inside the processes, that is the threads. The output of the Prstat command can be modified using the different parameters like the process ID, user ID, CPU ID, processor state, etc. The very detailed information of the active processes can be displayed using the Prstat-m command. So let me show you some more options like these of this command. So you can pause this video here, read them once, and try and remember at least 3 for them for your exams. This was all about the Prstat command. Now let's move on to the next command of this video, that is the Topas command. This command is mostly used by the system administrator to check the CPU usage by each and every process. Also, this command gives additional system information like the memory usage, the process, the file systems, the workload partitions, the network interfaces, and so on and so forth used by the processes. It is also an online monitoring tool where the information gets updated dynamically every second or two. The admin runs it. Let me show you the output of this command. Note that this command is used in AIX systems, that is Advanced Interactive Executive Systems, so which is a series of proprietary of Unix operating system developed and sold by IBM for several of its computer platforms. Let's see the fields of Topas command that the Topas command offers to us. First is username, second is process ID, next is parent process ID, then PRI is the priority of the process, NI is the nice value of the process, RES gives the first RES actually, that gives the physical memory of the process for the data of the process, and second gives for the text of the process. Then the space, that is the memory that is occupied by the process, the swapped memory. Also the time gives the collective time of the process spent on the processor. Next is percent of CPU utilized by the process. Then the number of input output requests to the physical disk. Then the logical request to the disk. And lastly the command to create the process. Now Topas also runs with different options. Like these, read them once by pausing the video and remember at least 4 of them in short for your exams. You can remember them in short. So using these options, we can get the CPU usage information of the system, which is the disk space, memory space, network interface, processes, file systems, workload partitions, and so on and so forth. So this was all about these two commands, Prstat and Topas. Next video is on stress command, a debugger tool which is used to debug the applications when the source code is not available. So it's very interesting tool as well as a command. So if you don't want to miss the next exciting video, consider subscribing. And until then, keep learning by doing, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.